Hello, this is Marcus again with DFW Fence Contractor. I was here 2 days ago filming my crew build this job. Just want to show you a little bit about it. We build it step and level on our board on board with top cap and trim. So I always want to keep the top cap level. This here we've done a double trim, so it has a 1x4 and a 1x2. We basically rip a 1x6 and create that. And this has been pre-stained with dark walnut ready seal. Down at the bottom we got a 2x6 pine kicker board to keep the fence up off the ground 4 inches. That'll make your cedar fence last a whole lot longer. So anyways, this is the job I was at 2 days ago filming my crew. We're back over here in this yard. We did also a back line fence. We just did dog ear on the back, but it's pre-stained the same stuff, same color. But we're here because we had built this fence for this couple like 4 years ago. We just came back to do some more work.